In this video we will go over goldfinch, what are the coin's fundamentals, and what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. We will announce the winner on September the 31st ST. Now let's get right to the video. Goldfinch is a worldwide credit convention that offers practical, excellent stablecoin yields that are produced by true monetary movement and shielded from DeFi's instability. GFI is an Ethereum token that oversees Goldfinch, which eventually intends to make DeFi loaning more open by empowering advances that can utilize both on and off-chain guarantee. The live Goldfinch cost today is $0.778684 USD, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $344.554 USD. We update our GFI to USD cost continuously. Goldfinch is down 21% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 642, with a live market cap of $17.285.405 USD. It has a circling supply of 2.198.238 GFI coins and a maximum supply of 114.285.714 GFI coins. Goldfinch takes into account crypto acquiring without crypto insurance. A center restriction of current decentralized crypto loaning conventions is that they expect borrowers to over-collateralize their credits with crypto resources, which forestalls by far most of borrowers on the planet from taking an interest. By consolidating the rule of trust through agreement, the Goldfinch Convention makes a way for borrowers to show financial soundness in view of the aggregate evaluation of different members, as opposed to in light of their crypto resources. Borrowers, right now off-chain loaning organizations, propose bargain terms for credit lines, borrower pools, to the convention. Goldfinch's people group of investors can then supply money to these credit lines, pools, either straightforwardly to individual pools, as backers, or by implication via consequently dispensing capital across the convention, liquidity providers by means of the senior pool. These borrower organizations utilize their credit lines to draw down stablecoins, explicitly USDC, from their pool. Borrowers then trade the USDC for government-issued money and send it on the ground to end borrowers in their neighborhood markets. Along these lines, the convention gives the utility of crypto, explicitly, its worldwide admittance to capital, while leaving the real end borrower credit start and adjusting to the organizations ideally suited to deal with that in their own networks. To decide how to designate capital from the senior pool, the convention utilizes a rule of trust through agreement. This intends that while the convention has no faith in any singular backer or auditor, it confides in the aggregate activities of a considerable lot of them. At a significant level, when more backers supply to a given borrower pool, the senior pool builds the proportion with which it adds influence. Since this approach depends on counting individual backers, the convention should guarantee they are truth be told addressed by various individuals. Subsequently, all backers, borrowers, and auditors require a remarkable element check to take an interest, see beneath. Borrower pool brilliant agreements have both a lesser and senior tranche, which together record for 100% of a borrower pool's capital. Sponsors supply money to the pool's lesser tranches, and the senior pool supplies funding to the pool's senior tranches. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up as it helps the community.